Good day and welcome to learning exercise 4.82. Unit 8.2, we'll be looking at how we solve linear equations. Previous lesson, it's advanced. Previous lesson also advanced. We looked at representation. So here we have to solve for x in 8.2.1. They give us 3x plus 1 less than 13 bigger or equal to negative 5. So also they want us to illustrate our answer on a number line. So again, we are solving for x, so we have to get 3x and isolate it. So take minus 1 across, or plus 1, and it becomes minus 1, 13 minus 1, that side minus 5 minus 1. So that gives me 13 minus 1, 12, minus 5 minus 1, minus 6. Then I always divide by the value attached to x, so they have 3x divided by 3 gives me x. To one side I have to do on the other side. So minus 6 divided by 3, 12 divided by 3 gives me minus 2 and 4. So you see I have a half closed interval. So greater or equal to minus 2, close dot. Less or equal to 4, or less than 4, so open dot. And there it is attached, so we draw a line joining in between. Take note, if they didn't say natural numbers or etc., we automatically assume they real numbers. Alright? 8.2.2, illustrate your answer number line if x is an element of whole numbers. Right, and what they've given us, 3 times x minus 1 divided by 4, right, is less than 3x minus 4x plus 4 divided by 16. So my lowest common denominator, 16. 4 times 4 is 16. So I'm going to try to multiply away the denominators. Multiply each term by 16, so that becomes 16 times. Remember, 3 times x is 3x. 3 times minus 1 is minus 3. On the side, 3x times 16 minus 16 times 4x plus 4 divided by 16. So now we simplify the fractions. You see 4 goes in 16 4 times. 16 goes in 16 once. So there I'm left with 4 times 3x minus 3. 3x times 16 gives me 48x. And there 16 and 16 cancel. So I'm left with minus 4x plus 4. 4 times 3x, 12x. 4 times negative 3, negative 12. 48x minus 4x gives me 44x and minus 4. Take all my x's to the same side. I have 12x minus 44x. If I take minus 12 across, minus 4 plus 12. 12x minus 44x gives me minus 32x, less than negative 4 plus 12, or 12 minus 4 is 8. Now take note, if I divide by a negative, the inequality sign always changes. So when I multiply or divide by negative, say x becomes greater than 8 divided by negative 32, which then simplifies to x greater than minus 1 over 4. So there, if we look, right, it's whole numbers. My first whole number starts at 0, so I can't include anything negative. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I draw a small arrow to show that it's continuing in that vein. Right, hope you understand. All the best. It's a compulsory exam question. Make sure you practice it. Make sure you know how to solve it. God bless. All the best.